Back on the path. Listen to that. Is it mandatory?
Like a little baby.
This is the best part. Oh yeah. Yo, what's up everybody? Taking another trip to Givhans Ferry State Park. I'm not gonna bore you with the drive. We'll see you when we get there. Next time you see me, we'll be at the campground, so stay tuned. Just got to the campground. Head up to the site. Brought the stuff up already. The mosquitoes are so bad. Gotta cover your head. I brought mosquito nets, but they're somewhere in the bottom of the bag right now, so I'm kind of pooped out. Pushing the cart a quarter mile through the thick sand. Not ideal, but we did it. Now we're just waiting for Gray and Emily and the rest of the gang to show up. We'll see you soon.
Like a little baby.
I'm glad there's a safety swing here for you.
I know.
Let's sing some copyrighted music, baby. Yeah. Squirrels, squirrels, squirrels.
What's the name of this trail, Emily?
The Trail of Death.
The Trail of Death.
1.5 mile trail.
What's that?
It is mandatory that you stop at all benches along the pathway. That is a good mark to where you should take a rest.
Is it mandatory?
Should be.
There's mosquitoes everywhere. They're flying in my nose and stuff. Game
Always
on.
got to stop at the bench.
Back on the path. Back on the path of righteousness. My fellow dwellers. Is it me who will become the king? We're having a good time. We're having a good time.
I got what you were saying though.
Kumbaya.
Oh, that's funny.
Kumbaya.
Right? Just so slippery I couldn't get it to flip.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, cheeseburger time.
Okay, the one in the middle is the bottom bun. Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Quadruple cheeseburgers.
Yes.
Okay. I'll have a cummerbund.
Uh-huh.
The cheese is literally dripping off the plates.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Those are going to be good.
Look at that. Got the quadruple cheeseburger and some potato salad cooked over on the fire by Chef Gray right here. How's the burger, Emily? You know it's good. When you don't get words, you know it's good. When everybody shuts up, you know the food is real good. All right, I'm about to dip into this. We'll talk to y'all. Yo, what's up? So, it's first night, had a great meal, got everything set up, went for a hike, and now it's time to go to bed. So, we'll see you guys in the morning. Have a good night. Keep watching. The breakfast has been applied. Chef Emily Lenz in the house again. Does a wonderful job. Keeps us fed and healthy.
Well, not healthy.
Keeps me healthy.
Definitely fed. I don't know about healthy.
Does an amazing job of it though. Listen to that.
There's a little baby. Woo! My son?
I feel very safe.
Coffee brewing.
Percolations are imminent.
Oh yeah. It's beautiful. pepper jack cheese, scrambled egg, and there's some bacon underneath there on a buttery English muffin. Beautiful creation that Emily made for us. So good. Take another bite. So good. Camping doesn't have to suck. This is the best part. We got coffee coming up. We're gonna head down to the river, do a little kayaking, a little over 7 miles, do some fishing. So stay tuned. This is so good. Oh yeah.
Now that's a cup of coffee.
Yes, sir. Emily's making the lunches for the trip today. Again.
Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
We're keeping that. Get the kayaks all strapped down. Gray's truck. Getting ready to head to the landing so we can take off. It's a little bit windy today, but the weather's nice. Let's go, baby.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Got the yaks down on the beach here. We're gonna throw the rest of the gear in. Paddles, life jackets, all that good stuff. Got our whistles and our first aid kits and our foods. Got the tackle box here. Got a rod right there. Another one right here. I'm gonna put the camera on the front facing out so y'all can see the cool trip.
Will you do me a favor? Yeah. Here he comes. Never mind.
Oh.
Jesus. Don't tip us over.
Yeah, definitely give me the other one. Oh, that one didn't have shit on it. What kind of ghetto pedals we got going on here?
Take it.
I don't, that one has nothing on
But
it.
that's mine. I put some eyeliner on for this video. I looked horrible in the last one. Had the best time, but still, everybody's still getting in their kayaks. I'm already going down the river. First thing I did though was spill my beer in the boat. Dumbass. Football shoulders, still hanging out.
And we're off. It's the beginning of our paddling excursion here on the Edisto, and we're just cruising, setting out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a tandem. Myself, 7, and Gray. That's 8 people. Little bit of windy gusts going on here, but we gonna make the best of it. We'll see you guys in a little bit. He looks like he's in an air mattress. He's gonna pop a wheelie.
Hey, go to the left of this.
Well, we don't know, yeah.
Hey, follow us. Don't go on the right.
Hey, I'm glad that you guys caught up. I was getting worried.
Hey guys,
There.
we are on the Upper Edisto, and it has turned out to be a beautiful day. I'm here with my lovely wife. This is so much fun. I can't even find you past my big football shoulders.
It's the Emily and Nature Show, part 2.
Tanner, drink your water.
All this paddling's making me tired.
Everybody go to sleep right now.
You know, somebody's in a traffic jam, like, like, here, eat this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry, I was taking life seriously. Sorry.
Although you are in supreme position, that might help a little.
Let's take a little break, a little pee break, and have a little sip, and then we're gonna head back out, try to fish a little bit more. It's been pretty tough. We've only managed maybe a couple bites, but nothing substantial. You hear that owl?
Yeah.
Hey, Buddy Gray. It's actually kind of a cool shot. And Chef Emily, where we all belong, inside of Mother Nature.
Yeah, this is awesome.
I don't know how to put the brakes on. I don't know. I've only kayaked like 2 or 3 times in my life, and I've never had any training, so
How's the banana treating you?
It's awesome.
Yeah? Look very relaxed.
I'm enjoying it,
Yeah. It's like the most chill kayak adventure.
The sun will come out today. For a minute, and it's gonna go away.
Who do you think the landscaper is that hangs the moss in the trees? I'd like to get his number.
4 to win. It's crazy. Yeah, you doubled up, right?
What?
Folded over?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it folded me and spun me around.
We're like, woo! All right. Here we go.
Oh yeah, there's a porta potty over here on the bank. I don't know if I'd go into it.
Good, how you all doing?
Good.
We got everybody up on the beach.
Oh yeah. Sun came out, it's beautiful. It's a pretty day.
Gorgeous day.
Sorry.
See you behind me, my bad.
If you don't come out and do this, are you really living? So the sun came out and I did not bring my hat. Small update. My fishing portion of this video is over since my rod jumped off the bow of my kayak into the water. But we're still gonna kayak and we're still gonna cook.
I'm having the best day on the river. If you're not having the best day on the river, then you're an idiot.
I just want to do a shout out to Miss Vicky's. We love these.
Hey Gray,
Yes, sir.
why aren't you fishing?
I lost my rod.
What? Sounds like we'd be going to Walmart, huh?
Yep. Emily and I were sharing a kiss, and
Oh.
it went whoosh.
Lost the whole and your Shimano reel, huh? Damn it.
Cornholio, I am your father.
Got the sandwich. It was like a turkey and cheese, mustard and mayo, I think. I think we're about the last mile. I think after this turn up here, I think we're just about home. Give you a tour of the tent when we get back. I know I didn't show myself setting it up and everything, but I know those things are kind of boring, at least to me anyway. But I don't know if you want to see stuff like that, setups and everything. Let me know in the comments. We'll work it into the next one. But for now, we'll just leave it at this, and hope you guys enjoy it.
You're gonna have a horrible time. It's gonna be so cold and windy.
Oh, that's what I was told. Driving speed.
Who said that? Place you work?
Yeah.
You don't want to go there. Just stay here and work with us. So where are we going again?
15-mile hike.
We're going on a 15-mile hike after our 7.5 mile kayak journey.
Yeah.
It's a good
And
idea.
so we're now going on a 15-mile nature loop. Well, it's actually 1.5 miles, but it looks like it says 15 on the side.
Well, we made it back to the campsite. For some reason the GoPro wasn't working right, but it's working now. So we did our 7.5 mile journey and it was freaking awesome. Saw a lot of cool stuff, and we're gonna get ready to cook some dinner here, but Emily's doing the prep work, getting everything all nice and juicy. Let's go take a look.
I didn't bring anything to marinate those steaks.
Salt and pepper.
Oh.
Shallots. So good. Only the fresh stuff.
It's the bacon bits, shallots, garlic. I like to cook this down and let it get a little bit like crispy before I put the Brussels sprouts in. Bang, bang.
Look at that. Oh God, you can almost smell it through the TV, can't you?
Oh, that smells good.
Can I get it? Oh yeah. Yeah, baby.
Oh.
I keep saying I'm gonna cook a different vegetable, and they're like, no, don't.
Try to copy that. What a beautiful thing.
Yeah, that's outstanding.
Smell it. Just smell it. Smell it. Steaks are cooking on the grill. We about ready to chow down.
Yeah. Sorry we didn't get any good plates. We just got these shitty things.
Double them up,
Double them.
please.
Okay.
Look at that. Potato salad, right? Macaroni salad, pasta salad.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Well, we didn't make those obviously.
Oh, yeah.
This is right here. This is why we come here. and this is what Chef Emily does to.
I cook more when I'm camping than I do at home.
That's a giant hunk of meat. This is what it's all about right here. All right, we're gonna chow down. We'll talk to you later. It's gonna be 43 degrees tonight. We got the 0 degree bag and we're gonna be nice and cozy. Hope you guys have a good night. We had a great night, had a great meal, steaks, and oh my God, the Brussels sprouts are so good. Pasta salad was amazing. Also, we're gonna go to bed and get up in the morning and we're gonna do it all over. All right, y'all, have a good night. Oh, over here at Walmart, get Gray a new fishing pole. All right, we're getting ready to do round 2, day number 2 on the kayaks. We're gonna do the same 7.5 mile trip. There's Emily in the back right there. Gray's driving.
Hey.
What's up, everybody? So, all right, so we're gonna head over to the landing and we'll catch up with you over there, all right?
All right, I believe we're good. Oh, yeah. Scoochy, scoochy into the water. All right. Well, I wouldn't say anything anyway. Y'all just look like you're having a great day on the river. All right. I think my wife might be a witch. She puts up with me. Amazing. Whoa. Might be having a little issue here. Whoa, 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 bonk. Ow. Just want to show you guys what a bad thing can happen when you're kayak fishing. Is when you get your lure stuck way up there. Here's the A-frame that Emily loves. Oh, this is such a cool place. It's a pole barn with the attic finished. And I love the staircase going down into the water right there. I see Eason. Look at this sandwich my wife packed me. Pack a sandwich.
Buddy.
Boat. It's the same thing like car. Thank y'all.
I like mine well done and crunchy.
Got the beans on the grill. Here we go. We got a can of beans on there. Got the hot dogs going on there shortly. Got the hot dogs on the grill with the buns and the chili in the can on the grill.
Hey, Tanner, drink your water.
We're all packed up, ready to go. Thanks for joining us. Come back and see us again for more adventures. Thanks for watching Eason Outdoors. Y'all have a great night. Peace.
I'm drinking.